Now, India Today conducts a reality check right now. We have Shalini who's joining us from Delhi, Indrajit who's joining us from Kolkata. Shalini is in a Muslim neighborhood. Let's try and see, Shalini, what's the situation there? Is it different from the other parts of Delhi that you've been reporting from? Is it fair to communalize cash chaos which every person is facing regardless of their religion?
Well, Davina, I've been across Delhi since November 8th, and it was just 2 days back that I went to Old Delhi, which is minority dominated as well. But there were queues in front of banks and people saying that yes, they can withdraw money and it's not that bad, and everyone is facing the same situation. Now, here in Jamia Nagar, talking to people here, they were telling me that there are around 40 ATMs in this area, 40 banks and ATMs in this area, but only 3 functioning, 2 Indian Bank ATMs and 1 Jammu and Kashmir J&K Bank ATM that is being functioning in the area. Sir, अगर आप बता सकते हैं कितने यहाँ पे कितने ATMs काम कर रहे हैं और आप रोज ATM के सामने जो आते हैं पैसा मिलता है कि नहीं?
नहीं, ऑलमोस्ट 3 फंक्शनिंग, बट और जो भी है 40 के लगभग बैंक और ATM है वो केवल 3 ही काम कर रहे हैं, वो इंडियन बैंक और जम्मू एंड कश्मीर बैंक, इसके अलावा बाकी नॉट वर्किंग।
आप लोगों डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन यूज़ करते हैं, कितने बजे आए सुबह से? और यहाँ पे आप लोग बैंक में पूरा 24,000 मिल लेते हैं जो विड्रॉ करने के लिए आते हैं?
अभी तो 4,000 मिल रहे हैं, वो भी नहीं मिल रहे हैं। 3 दिन से चौथा दिन है आज मुझे यहाँ पे लाइन में आने के लिए।
This is a man who's come here for 4 days in a row and he's getting 4,000 when you're entitled to withdraw 24,000 in the national capital. As far as the religious angle is concerned, the communal angle is concerned, I don't think in Delhi it's as Owaisi is telling us to be. It is because in Delhi, when you go to Old Delhi, there are numerous banks, whether it's State Bank, Axis Bank, Standard Chartered, Indian Bank. They're all functioning. Long queues, people patiently waiting outside banks. Even here, people are patiently waiting outside banks, waiting for their chance to enter the bank to use the ATM. No scuffles taking place. Nothing of that sort over here. People very patient. However, they do complain about the implementation of the decision of the demonetization drive.
It's time to de-link. It's time to de-link Asaduddin Owaisi's comments completely from the demonetization drive. Also, we'll get you another angle of the story on Notbandi. Now, as we're looking at 35th day of demonetization drive, India Today's Rahul Kanwal also spoke to RSS ideologue as Guru Murthy, who's talked about that 2,000 rupee note, the new one that you're getting, could be phased out in the coming years. Take a listen.